Hey, what's up? We'll be having a look at how to properly buy a Bosch washing machine. Now, not all Bosch washing machines are created equally. You'll have a look at the one on the right. That's a home professional model. And then you have a look on the one at the left. That's the Series 6. Now, for most of the wash programs, they're almost the same. It's just like different variations of temperature and spin speed, which you can play around with and sort of get the same wash results, and it works out that way. But looking at the capacity, it's also different, but you can get the 8 kg or 9 kg capacity for both ones. So with Bosch, they do the Series 5, Series 6, Series 8, and then on the higher end, on your right here, you've got the Home Professional. So when you're making your buying decision, there's a few things that you need to consider. Of course, the left one is more of a cheaper version, or more affordable. I wouldn't say cheaper, but more affordable. And when you come to the high end, the Home Professional would cost a bit more. So the Home Professional might cost about 2 times or 3 times as much as the Series 6, which is the one on your left. When it comes to material wise, the material they use on the Home Professional models and the other series is a bit different. The material that they use on the Home Professional is top quality material. So the Home Professional is made and designed in Germany, whereas the Series 6 and the other ones, some of them are made elsewhere, made in China, made in Thailand. So this is just to cater to every budget that everyone has. Obviously, not everyone has $2,000 lying around to buy a Bosch washing machine. So Bosch, like many other manufacturers, made the decision to put manufacturing in countries that will provide more affordable washers in terms of labor. It's much cheaper for these to be made elsewhere. Still the same Bosch tech inside, still the same good Bosch technology working in there, but different materials and different places where they're made. To see where one is made, because obviously if you look at it at the front, you go to the shops, you're not going to see where it's made through there. It'll just say designed in Germany. Like with your iPhone, it just says designed in California and made in China. But with these, it's the same. You can have a look at the back. So if you turn your washing machine around at the back, you can actually see where it's made. If we turn our washing machine around at the back, you'll see there will be a sticker there which will actually show you the model number and where it's made. Of course, it says, Robert Bosch in Germany. Then at the bottom here, it'll say made in China. And if you have a look on the other one, the Home Professional. So with the Home Professional, you can see it's made in Germany, right over there. So whenever you're buying a Bosch washing machine, always useful to have a look at the back and see what the sticker says where it's made at, because that's going to make a huge difference as to the quality of the materials used in there. Now with anything, if you abuse it enough, you'll break it. But I'm just saying that the quality of the materials that they put in the Home Professional models is a bit better as to the ones that are on the lower end models. But the lower end models as well, if you look after them, they'll be fine. It's still the same good Bosch quality that Bosch makes. But if you're after something a bit more premium, you're gonna have to splurge a bit and spend and get the Home Professional model. The thing that I've seen with most of these, in my experience using both the German made and the one made in Thailand or the one made in China, the biggest thing that I've seen that will ruin, sort of shorten the life of these washers is washing like with things in your pockets, things like coins. You can imagine the coin spinning at 1200 RPM. Who's going to win? The plastic drum or the coin? The coin's going to win, and then you end up with a big hole in the washing machine, and that's the end of it. And warranty won't honor that, because that is user error. Like with anything, if you wash blankets in a washer, it's user error. You break the bearings. So that's the thing with these washers. Always check your pockets, and then it won't matter where you bought it, where it's made in Germany or in China. You look after it, it looks after you. And also the other thing you want to consider as well is getting the extended warranty. So with extended warranty, you get the extended 2 years that you get on a washer, but then you can also extend that warranty for an extra 3 years or 4 years, depending on where you buy it. It's going to cost you about $150 or $200 for the extended warranty, but then it's totally worth it because a call out fee in itself is going to cost you a lot of money. So well worth having that extended warranty and have 5 years for yourself. That's going to go a long way to help you save money and a lot of headaches. Hey, I posted a lot of videos on new washers and the new features that come on them. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, or hit the like button. It'll go a long way to help this channel to be able to afford to get these new washers and also to get other people to see this content. And I also post videos on how to fix the issues that come up with these newer models as they come out, and with the ones that you have. Maybe your one will break down in a couple of weeks, or you never know, your neighbors or your family members might break down, and it will be handy to have me in your inbox so that I can save you a lot of headaches, time and money, because most of these things can be fixed. It's all about knowing how to fix them and where to look. So I'll be providing you with that knowledge. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, that will help out this channel. So within these machines, whether it's made in China or in Germany, make sure you get the extended warranty because anything can happen. But to properly use them, make sure you don't overload them. So your wash load needs to be just like halfway up the door. So if you're washing, obviously you want it like halfway up the door, and that's enough. And with your washing powder or liquid, obviously you want to put in just enough for the wash and not overload it, and then that way you're taking care of your washer, because too much detergent, too much softener breaks down the washing machine. So I was before talking about cheaper materials being used. It's not that they're really cheap, it's just that they tend to not handle abuse as much as the ones made in Germany. So make sure if you get whatever you get, make sure you look after your washer. They're great machines. I've been using the Series 6, these low-end models for a long time. Series 6, Series 5, Series 8. But these ones, I've really used them. But if you can afford it, really good to get that one. These ones have been good as well. Make sure you just get that extended warranty, and that's going to help you save a lot of headaches, time, and money on future repairs. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below, and I will get back to you. I'll see you on the next one.